Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week so far, and welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll talk about the fundamentals, especially the fundamentals. I could make 3 videos about right now. The technicals a little bit less. I mean, what you can see right now for Bitcoin, let's just start off with that, is that it looks like we're trying to form some sort of a new range. All right. So as expected, the level right here between 83 and 80,000 has held as support. That was the expectation we had yesterday as well, so I'm happy we got that. But at least what we said is that, you know, if we do not get any more headline news, or at least headline bearish news, we'll hold that level. Managed to get some bullish momentum from there as well. The volume is down though, all right? So the bullish move we've had so far here on Bitcoin, compared to the bullish momentum we had on Sunday, it's with much less volume. Now, that's not necessarily a problem, as long as we know it, all right? And then when I want to look up, sometimes my open interest doesn't load correctly, so give me a minute. But I wonder if this is also very leveraged. No, the leverage is actually pretty fine. You can see we actually we had some leverage come in, but it very quickly got rinsed. And right now the leverage, the open interest is up a little bit, but it's not it's not worrying. So I would say this move is pretty sustainable. And that this seems to be, or at least this broader level between 80,000 and 83,000 seems to be a strong support level that we can actually use as the bottom of a new range. All right. Now, what I said yesterday remains true, and that is that it is still dependent on the fundamentals, right? And if we get some major development on geopolitical tensions, or the trade war, we could still drop down lower. Although I don't really see that happening. So for now, I think the bottom is in, or at least the bottom area is in. You could even drag this down a little bit towards 78, 77,000, but let's say the main support level right here is around 81, 82. I think we're seeing some strength from there. So right now, I think we are going to look for some sort of a top of the range area. Now, looking at the fundamentals, that's Pendle. That's not something that's relevant for this video. But if we take a look at the fundamentals, look, the dollar strength index has been historically bearish for the last month. That's great. All right, that's pretty bullish for the markets generally. It's now just that other fundamentals are kind of diminishing the positive momentum that's coming from a bearish dollar strength index. Because even though like this is completely bullish, this is bullish as well. The USDT dominance is at resistance. We also expected that to hold. So some fundamentals are really giving us these bullish signals. And that's also part of the reason why I expect the bottom to be in for Bitcoin, at least on the short term. But then if we take a look at the S&P 500, what you can see is that we have secured, or we have really broken down below a strong support level right here at 585. So stock markets, I'm not too sure of yet if we've actually found a bottom there. And that still matters a lot. All right, we have seen that, well, I cannot show it right now, but we have seen that the Coinbase Bitcoin discount has decreased a little bit. So there seems to be some real bidding coming in for Bitcoin also from the US. But as long as the stock market, which is so that correlated to Bitcoin, is still trending down, and has not secured some sort of a bullish reclaim right here, I have to be relatively wary on Bitcoin. All right, so like I said, there are positive fundamentals. In general, the price action we've seen so far from the support level at 83,000 seems strong, so that's why I expect us to continue that search for the top of the range, around 90, 91, maybe 92,000. But unless the fundamentals change, I do not yet think we can actually break out above that. All right, so I think we'll reject, and I think we will drop back down to the bottom of the range. And then from this consolidation, if we get some major news, if we get some major developments, at some point of time, we are going to break out. And I'll try to be the first one to tell you. But for now, something like this is what I would say is most likely. All right, so I'll keep you updated on that. Have a great day. I'll see you all in my next videos. Take care, and bye.